Hello, my name is Wasin, and this is my winning recipe for my National Brewers Cup. And my recipe is an adaptation from Kasuya's hybrid method, where he incorporates both percolation and immersion. The grind size that we're going to be using is quite coarse, around the size of a sugar cube. It's coarse enough so that the water is almost always dry before our next pour. For this brew, you could use a coarse grind size, about 73 clicks from this Mill 1 grinder, which has the same designer as the Comandante. And this is the grinder that I use during my competition. For the paper filter, I use this Cafec Abaca Plus, size 01. And I found that the size 01 is more consistent and has a tastier result. And you can find both of these online on our stores. For our recipe today, we'll be using 15 grams of coffee and 225 milliliters of 40 to 70 TDS water. And we'll be using two temperatures, 90 degrees Celsius for the first two pours and 70 degrees Celsius for our last pour. We'll start with our blooming phase, where we'll be pouring 50 milliliters of water for 30 seconds. Next, we'll be pouring another 70 milliliters of water for another 30 seconds. Now at the 1 minute mark, we'll be switching our kettle to a 70 degrees Celsius kettle and closing up the switch. We'll then be pouring 105 milliliters of water for 30 seconds. And at the 1 minute 30 second mark, we'll be opening up the switch. We should finish the brew by around 2 minutes 30 to 2 minutes 40. But if it's a geisha variety, it may take up to over 3 minutes. Please enjoy.